I love that we're still talking right now.
It will be.
Hey guys, it's Remy and welcome back to my channel. Today I am so excited because we are kicking off a new series here on this channel. In this series, I'm going to be taking you guys with me to train with professional athletes. Today is very special because number one, she's my favorite athlete ever, and number two, she's a gold medal Olympian. So I'm very excited and I hope you guys are too. Comment down below any athletes you guys would like me to do this series with. I have a bunch lined up already. I'm super excited, but comment down below who you guys want to see. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you guys like this video and you want to see more. Subscribe to the channel, and I think we've got a pretty important phone call to make, so let's go.
So what are we up to today?
We are about to call, I think, one of the coolest people ever. Chloe Kim. I'm very nervous. Okay, I'm already 2 minutes late. I'm trying to make it seem like I'm not too eager. What am I gonna say?
Hi.
Hi. Okay.
Hello.
Hi. We sound the same. Thank you so much for doing this.
Excited.
Oh my god, I cannot wait. I'm also very happy that we're not actually snowboarding because I can't stand up on a snowboard, so this is great.
No, you know what? I was like, at first I was like, oh, like, kind of bummed. And then I went up there yesterday and I was like, oh my god, so good she didn't come because it's like so scary up there.
Really?
I almost died multiple times. Yeah.
Oh, perfect. I'm so glad to hear that. Well, not that you almost died, but that I didn't go.
Yeah, my trainer's like, he's super fun and like easygoing, but the workouts are like pretty hardcore.
Oh my god.
sometimes.
Okay, I'm excited. I think it'll be really good. Thank you so much. I'm seriously, like, I'm such a big fan. I'm gonna not fangirl in person, I promise. But I'm so excited.
Oh my gosh, literally. Me too. I love your stuff.
Oh, thank you. Okay, bye. What an angel. Did I do okay? My hands are sweaty. Feel my hand right now.
Ew.
I'm really excited. I am. I like that she's very honest, and I think it's gonna be really fun. And I feel like we're gonna be great friends. No pressure, Chloe. Alright guys, we are here today at a gym in Santa Monica called 34 North. We are ready to train with Chloe and with her trainer Max. I will leave their socials down below. I am very nervous. My body is very sore because I did training 2 days in a row before this. Dumbest idea ever. But we're ready. We're gonna go. Let's go inside. I'm nervous. Hi guys, I'm here with Chloe. I'm so excited. I'm very nervous. How are you feeling?
I'm good.
She's good. She's ready. She had a breakfast burrito.
Had a nice breakfast burrito filled with cheddar cheese.
Lots of fuel. We're ready to go. We're gonna train. Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Okay.
My name is Chloe Kim and I'm a snowboarder.
How old are you?
I'm 19.
You're 19?
I'm 19.
Oh my god, I feel so old.
I know, I'm a fetus. I always hang out with older people and they're like, how old are you? And I'm like 19.
How long have you been snowboarding for?
For 15 years.
So you were 4 years old?
Yeah. Little baby. Little baby. I don't know if I ever was like, I want to pursue going pro, because what does pro really mean, right? I feel like for us it means like when you start getting paid, but it kind of just happened.
What's your daily routine?
Yeah, I mean, I guess I snowboard a lot, but when I snowboard, my routine's a little different. It's like you wake up at 6:30 and then we go on the mountain for like 4 hours and then we chill.
And then what other workouts do you do besides snowboarding?
A shopping count?
Me. I mean, it is exercise. You walk a lot. You got to walk around all the stores.
Sounds a little close to home, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think that we're gonna be best friends. Okay, let's work out.
Yay!
All right, guys, we're here with Max. How hard are we gonna go today?
Hard.
Hard? Like 1 to 10?
8.
Okay, let's
We
do
have the
it.
whole weekend to recover.
Okay, let's go.
Like my first time working out with him, he like was like, take your shoes and socks off. And I was like, he's like, I'm gonna touch your feet. And I was like,
She likes
In retrospect, I would have waited a couple sessions.
I'm already out of breath.
Every exercise is the most dramatic thing ever. Now we're going to take it down to the ankle. Quick. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next one, we're going to go wide close. You're going to stay on the same line. Wide, close, wide, close. It is Friday.
Oh my god, I feel it!
It's gonna look like I've never worked out before.
Why did I wear a long sleeve shirt? Someone tell me. I've never done this in my life.
This is like everyday use for you, right?
I know. I always cry.
This looks so much easier than it actually is. I'm dying, dude.
You're tired?
I'm dying.
You're dying?
Max just asked if we want to go heavier. I said yes. Chloe said no, but now she's being punished. So I'm sorry. She's mad. You know whose face I'm thinking of?
Yep.
I'm so excited to eat.
I was thinking about pork belly the entire ride.
She has dancer feet.
Mood.
So warm up done, speed power done. You've only been working out for 30 minutes.
I want to be her best friend.
Max, I'm hurt. I gotta go home. I hurt myself.
I've never sweat that much from one exercise. Okay, what is this?
So we just wrapped. It was really fun. Remy, you slayed, girl.
Thank you.
Honestly, like, pretty badass.
But you do like way more than that normally, right?
Yeah, we normally do that,
Yeah.
but like 2 more sets. We're in here for like an hour 20. I'm released from the dungeon.
You're the
But it was fun because I had company, and Max didn't bully me as much because we were on camera.
I have nothing to say to that.
I don't think I've ever done any of those exercises before.
Yeah.
You're a badass, seriously. She's so strong, and now we're gonna go stuff our faces. We're gonna go eat Korean barbecue because we're both Korean and we want pork belly.
We are both Korean.
We're doing a mukbang on Chloe's channel, so check it out in the link below. Check out her channel, subscribe, follow her, follow Max, and come check out this gym. 34 North. My body hurts. You're ready.
I'm ready.
She's like a puppy. She has so much energy.
I have so much
We're
energy.
best friends now. We had a great time. See you guys next time. Bye.
Also, I want to mention, I can't really eat red meat.
I can't either.
Does it hurt your stomach?
Yes, and dairy too. Okay, bye.